camp cooking got interesting this year, pellet smokers, portable pizza ovens, and smokeless fire pits, these 5 are definitely worth your money. At number 5, we have the BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus. The complete cook kit runs for around $149 to $250. 2 pounds, burn sticks and twigs, use patented combustion tech to keep the flame spinning clean with almost no smoke. There's also an onboard 3200 mAh battery built into the body that captures heat and converts it into electricity, pushing up to 3 watts out through a USB port on the side. Boil a litre of water in under 5 minutes, plug your phone in while you wait on dinner. The full kit throws in a BioLite kettle pot, a portable grill for cooking directly over the flame, and a coffee press attachment that drops right into the kettle pot. No propane, no canisters to forget at home, and no gas to run out of mid-cook. Whatever's on the ground around you is the fuel. Fire restrictions? Not a problem. The burn is clean enough to use in areas where regular campfire would get you a fine. If you're building a pack around one cooking item that does more than one thing, this is it. At number 4 we have the Onikaru 12G. Around $399, the 2026 refresh brought a glass viewing door, extra insulation, a built-in thermometer that reads the ambient air temp inside the oven, and a burner that's more fuel efficient than ever before. Wood, gas, or charcoal, pick one depending on the day. The wood gives you the real campfire flavour, the optional gas burner attachment gets you the temp fast without the setup, and the charcoal adds the char so you can't fake. The cordierite stone gets to proper restaurant heat, the stainless steel body is fully insulated, and the whole thing collapses down to fit in a car boot. One 12-inch pizza at a time is the limit. So it's not a crowd feeder. It comes up to temp a bit slower than the PI Prime, and on some configurations, the gas burner is an add-on purchase. If you want to pick up your fuel based on what you've got at the site, nothing else in this price range gives you that kind of choice. At number 3 we have the Solo Stove PI Prime. For around $349, connect a 20-pound propane tank, turn it on, and 15 minutes later, the cordonite stone is sitting at around 700 degrees Fahrenheit. That's it. The demi-dome shape pushes flame up and over the top of the pizza, which is what gives you the Neapolitan char and the leoparding on the crust rather than the pale undercooked top. The opening is wide enough to get a peel in and rotate a pizza without burning your knuckles on the edge. Stainless steel throughout, about 30 pounds, drops into a car trunk or an RV bay with room to spare. Solo Stoves does sales regularly, so $300 or under is realistic if you watch for them. Although there's no wood option, no built-in thermometer. Pick up a cheap IR thermometer to check the stone before you first cook. 700 degrees in 15 minutes, that's the whole pitch. Outside of those two things, this is the easiest path to a generally good campsite pizza in 2026. At number 2 we have the BioLite Fire Pit Plus with Smart Grill. $299 to $399 depending on whether the Smart Grill comes bundled. There are 51 air jets inside the fire chamber, and you control the airflow from the app on your phone. Turn the fan up, and the fire roars. Turn it down, and it settles into a slow burn. The smoke reduction is real. A regular fire pit chokes you out. This one stays clean because the airflow keeps the combustion efficient, rather than smouldering. Pull the cooking grate on, and you've got a direct heat over the flame and a cooler zone off to the side. Sear a steak, move it over, drop some vegetables where the heat is lower, all that at the same time. Wood, charcoal, or mix. The fan battery charges via USB-C and holds a charge for hours. 51 air jets, app control, way less smoke. The lowest fan speed just keeps the embers alive through the night. Highest one gets serious heat going fast. If campfire smoke is normally the thing that ruins the trip for someone in the group, this is the fire pit that fixes it. At number 1 we have the Traeger Ranger Portable Pellet Grill. The Traeger Ranger takes the top spot. $399 to $499. It's a real wood pellet smoker in a 60-pound package you can actually move. The digital ARC controller dials temperature in 5 degree steps, anywhere from 165 degrees Fahrenheit for slow smoking, up to 450 for proper sear. 36,000 BTU output, 176 square inches of cooking surface, a built-in meat probe, porcelain-coated steel grates, and a cast iron griddle insert that flips the whole thing into a breakfast flat top. Brisket, ribs, smoked chicken, pizza, same hardwood pellets as the full-size Traegers, so the flavour is the same. There is one issue. It needs to plug into 120 volt power to run the auger and the igniter. No wall outlet at the campsite means you need a power station. The Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus is the one. 2,402 watts-hours, 3,000 watts-hours continuous output. That's the full weekend of cooking on the Ranger, plus enough left to charge the phones and run lights. Buy those two together and it's the best campsite barbecue setup going in 2026. And it's a rearwood pellet barbecue, in a box that you can carry. So which one of these is showing up at your campsite? Drop it in the comments below. Hit the like and subscribe for no fluff tech reviews. All the products featured today can be found in the description below.